This mixture in the morning and the next day you will feel 20 years younger. Have you ever heard of the golden milk? Well, if your answer is no, then you should definitely watch this video. In this video we are going to show you how to make this powerful drink. The golden milk is a drink made from all natural ingredients. The main ingredient in this powerful drink is turmeric. And we all know that turmeric is one of the healthiest and most powerful spices in the world. Turmeric contains high amounts of healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. The main ingredient and most active compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is extremely powerful polyphenol and it can provide more than 150 therapeutic benefits: anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. As we said, turmeric is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide the many different health benefits, such as, it can cleanse the liver, boost your immune system, improves the brain function and boosts the memory, lowers high blood pressure, lowers LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides, reduce neurological disorders, improves the digestive system, relieves skin conditions, regulates the metabolism and the weight, it has antimicrobials and analgesic properties, etc. Did you know that you can combine turmeric with black pepper? Well, yes, and when you go that you will increase the bioavailability of the curcumin by 1000 times, due to the active ingredient in black pepper. This is why these two ingredients make the best and most powerful combo. This golden milk recipe is very simple and easy to make. First we are going to show you how to make the turmeric paste, and then we are going to show you how to make the golden milk. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Golden milk recipe. Step 1. Turmeric paste. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of milled pepper, 1/2 cup of filtered water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You need to put all the ingredients mentioned above in a pot and put it on medium heat. Make sure you stir the mixture all the time until you get a thick and homogeneous mixture. Note: make sure you don't stop stirring while the mixture is on heat because it may stick to the pot. When the mixture is done, you need to remove it from heat and let it cool. After that you need to keep it in the refrigerator. Step 2. Golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric paste. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You need to put all the ingredients, except the honey, in a pot and cook on medium heat. You need to mix them well until you get a homogeneous mixture. When you are done mixing, pour the mixture in a bowl, add the honey for sweetness and enjoy your golden milk. You will be amazed by the results. Make sure you drink this mixture every day. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.